So what are factory design utilities? Factory design utilities is an installation that provides add-ins for a number of Autodesk applications. This is including AutoCAD Architecture, Inventor Professional, Navisworks, and Autodesk Vault. Navisworks and Autodesk Vault are optional add-ins for this process. We will not be covering anything in the context of Navisworks, however, we will include Vault Professional. Within the factory design process, AutoCAD Architecture is utilized to modify and create layouts of your factories. To validate that the factory design utilities has successfully installed the factory add-in for AutoCAD Architecture, launch AutoCAD Architecture. Once it is fully loaded, ensure that you have the factory tab. We will be covering the additional modules within this in the later section within the AutoCAD Architecture content. Inventor Professional is utilized within the factory design process for creating assets, managing assets, and for viewing layouts within a 3D environment. To validate that factory design utilities has installed successfully for Inventor Professional, open Inventor Professional and validate that you have a factory tab. Factory Design Utilities also provides additional functionality for the Autodesk Vault Professional application. There are additional configurations needed for this application, which we will be covering further in that section. However, once successfully configured, you will see factory assets and factory layouts within the Autodesk Vault Professional application.